Well, good morning, everybody. I think it's still morning. I'm out here just cutting my own logs, and I did get a couple cherry right here, make beautiful mantles, and make some nice shelving. Because I got the one edge straight edge, the other one's got the live edge on to make nice shelves. Look at that. The mantle over here. But there's the mantle. That one there is about 6 inches thick. I'd say roughly about 9 inches wide. Got the live edge on, straight edge. That stuff is all for sale. If somebody's interested in it. And I got got a soft maple here, and I'm hoping it's got a lot of spalt to it. I kind of cut the one end off, hoping I can kind of see what's going on with it. It looks like it has some spalt stuff too, but we'll see. And you can tell here, I got the crotch upright instead of laying flat. The reason for that is I want to get straight edges on both sides of this log. So you got a nice long, this won't go to waste as much. And so if I have put them up like this, you can tell here, then I'll have straight edges on both sides and not one edge straight and the other side will just bend down like a crotch. But it'll still hopefully have some nice character in here to it. I'll take a couple slabs off the top and then go with the rest of it here. And get a little bit of dirt off in there yet. And it's a soft maple, or some people call them silver maple. Well, depends on what term you want to use. And I'll probably make these about 2 1/4 thick. The slabs have a live edge, and we'll see what happens with it. I hit a nail on that one. I'm going to see what I can do. I need to go up and get a nail on a screwdriver and a hammer. See right here. You see that? Yeah, so I don't know. It looks like it's doing okay, but got some pretty decent little shelves and cutting board, charcuterie board stuff off of the first couple cuts. And I need to go up and get some tools and stuff to get that nail out, just in case there's been bedded down a little bit deeper. Hopefully I don't hit anymore. That's what you get with yard trees. Stop putting hardware in trees, because it's not fun for the sawyer. Well, this is what we found in there. Yeah, I don't know. Spiking boards, and hopefully we don't find any more. And if we do find more, I want to find it before I hit it. So, keep on going. I'm not going to change blades, and no point in putting another blade on if I keep hitting nails. So, you keep cutting. Out so well for me. I hit another nail, 2 nails or something. I'm not going to keep cutting on this log. And it's kind of frustrating, but that's what you get with the yard trees. And I don't know, maybe later on sometime I'll get the nerve to keep cutting at it, but today I'm not going to. Where did I have it here? But here you can see where I hit some. Right here in the, something right there. I have to cut that piece off. I'll pull that nail out. I need to make an end table or something with it. The log's not looking that great anyway. Maybe if you get down deeper, but not more. If it'd be a walnut or something like that, I keep on trying to work at it, but it's not worth it for me to be busting up blades. And I could go through the rest of the log not hitting one, but a couple cuts in, it's not worth it. As you can see, it got some nice cherry here. These will make good shelves. They got the live edge on one side and straight edge on the other. If you're interested, just give me a call or give me a message or something on Facebook, or I'll be putting this on YouTube too. So, and Instagram, I'll probably put it on Instagram. Norm's Custom Sawing 20 is my Instagram. And so if you're interested, I got some more slabs over here, over there. Air dried for about, most of it been air dried over 2 years already. I got walnut, cherry, some maple, you name it. And live edge slabs, various thicknesses and width. And so if you're interested in it, just hit me up here. Here's my little one. Come down to watch.